house from here. Looks like a lovely house from here. The very least that I can do is coming by to stay.